Master Control Quality Excellence Online Training. Mastering Compliance with Master Control Quality Excellence. Master Control Quality Excellence (QX) is a robust platform designed to help organizations manage quality processes and ensure compliance with regulatory standards, especially in industries like life sciences, manufacturing, and healthcare. Mastering compliance with Master Control involves leveraging its various features to streamline workflows, improve traceability, and ensure adherence to regulations such as FDA, ISO, and other industry-specific standards. Here's how you can master compliance with Master Control Quality Excellence. 1. Automate quality processes. Document management. Use Master Control's document control tools to automate document routing, approval, and revision control. This ensures compliance by ensuring that all documents are up to date and accessible to the right people. Change control. Implement automated workflows for change management that ensure any modifications to products, processes, or documents follow a standardized approval process. Training management. Track employee training and certifications to ensure that all personnel are properly trained on the latest processes and compliance requirements. 2. Enhance traceability and audit trails. Audit trail. Master Control maintains a comprehensive audit trail for all actions within the system, ensuring that you can trace any changes, approvals, or updates to their source. This is essential for regulatory compliance and preparing for audits. Real-time reporting and dashboards. With built-in reporting tools, you can create custom reports and dashboards to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, deviations, and compliance gaps in real time. 3. Risk management. Risk-based approach. Master Control's risk management module helps identify, assess, and mitigate risks associated with quality issues, ensuring that potential non-compliance is proactively managed. CAPA. Corrective and preventive action. Leverage CAPA workflows to track, resolve, and prevent recurring issues, ensuring long-term compliance and continuous improvement. 4. Integrated compliance management. Standards compliance. Master Control helps ensure compliance with industry regulations like FDA 21 CFR Part 11, ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and GXP. It offers pre-configured templates for these standards, making it easier to stay compliant. Supplier management. Manage supplier quality and compliance by tracking supplier certifications, performance, and audits within the system. 5. Collaboration and workflow optimization. Collaboration. Enable cross-department collaboration by providing a centralized platform for quality and compliance-related communication. Teams can work together on documents, issues, and corrective actions. Workflow automation. Master Control automates routine quality tasks, reducing manual effort and ensuring consistent execution of processes across the organization. 6. Training and support. Master Control University. Take advantage of Master Control's training resources to ensure employees are fully educated on system functionality and compliance requirements. Customer support. Access dedicated customer support for troubleshooting and advice on maintaining compliance. Streamlining quality processes through Master Control Quality Excellence. Streamlining quality processes through Master Control Quality Excellence involves leveraging its comprehensive tools and features to enhance compliance, efficiency, and collaboration. Here's how Master Control can help organizations achieve quality process optimization. 1. Centralized quality management. Document control automates document lifecycle management, ensuring that all critical documents are up to date, accessible, and compliant with regulatory standards. Quality records centralize storage of quality-related records such as CAPAs, corrective and preventive actions, deviations, and audit findings, simplifying traceability and management. 2. Automation of workflows. Streamlines quality processes by automating workflows for tasks like document reviews and approvals, training assignments and tracking, CAPA initiation and resolution, ensures consistency and reduces human errors. 3. Compliance and risk mitigation. Provides tools for maintaining compliance with industry standards like FDA, ISO, and GXP. Risk management features allow proactive identification and mitigation of potential quality risks. 4. Training management. Tracks employee training status, ensuring that all team members are qualified and compliant. Automated reminders and escalations help maintain compliance with training requirements. 5. Integration and scalability. Integration easily integrates with other enterprise systems like ERP, CRM, and MES for a holistic quality management approach. Scalability adapts to the evolving needs of organizations, from small businesses to large enterprises. 6. Real-time data and analytics. Provides dashboards and analytics to monitor key quality metrics, KPIs. Enables data-driven decision-making to improve quality processes. 7. Collaboration and accessibility. Cloud-based solutions ensure that quality processes are accessible to global teams, promoting collaboration. Mobile access allows quality teams to respond quickly to issues, regardless of location. 8. Audit and inspection readiness. Maintains a complete audit trail of all quality activities, ensuring readiness for audits and inspections. Simplifies the process of preparing reports and responding to regulatory inquiries. Benefits of streamlining with Master Control Quality Excellence. Efficiency reduces cycle times and operational bottlenecks. Consistency ensures standardization of quality processes across departments. The role of automation in Master Control Quality Excellence. Automation plays a crucial role in achieving quality excellence in master control by streamlining processes, reducing errors, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Master Control solutions are designed to automate quality management, providing an integrated platform to enhance efficiency and consistency. Below are the key roles automation plays in Master Control Quality Excellence. 1. Process streamlining. Automation helps streamline complex quality processes by automating document control, ensuring version control, access management, and real-time collaboration. Workflow automation, routing tasks automatically to the right stakeholders, reducing bottlenecks. Eliminating manual tasks, minimizing repetitive, error-prone activities to improve productivity. 2. Compliance management. Regulatory compliance is critical in industries like pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Automation in master control helps standardize processes, enforcing compliance standards like FDA 21 CFR Part 11 and ISO 9001. Audit readiness, providing real-time tracking and automated audit trails. Training management, automating training assignments and tracking to ensure employees meet qualification requirements. 3. Error reduction and data integrity. Automation reduces human errors and ensures data accuracy by integrating systems, ensuring data consistency across multiple platforms. Real-time validation, flagging anomalies automatically to maintain data integrity. Centralized data management, offering a single source of truth for all quality-related data. 4. Faster decision-making. Automated analytics and reporting enable faster, data-driven decisions. Dashboards and metrics, providing visual insights into key performance indicators, KPIs. Predictive analytics, helping identify potential quality issues before they escalate. Real-time reporting, reducing delays in accessing actionable information. 5. Scalability and adaptability. Automation ensures that the quality management system, QMS, scales with the business. Customizable workflows, adapting to unique organizational needs. Global collaboration, supporting multi-location and multi-department workflows seamlessly. Change management, automating updates to processes as regulations or business needs evolve. 6. Enhancing supplier and risk management. Automation extends to external stakeholders for better quality assurance. Supplier management, tracking and managing supplier performance and compliance. Risk assessment tools, automating risk analysis and mitigation planning. Master control quality excellence, transforming risk management. Master control quality excellence, transforming risk management. Master Control Quality Excellence is a robust platform designed to enhance quality management processes, streamline compliance, and transform risk management strategies for organizations across various industries. Here's how it transforms risk management. 1. Centralized risk management. Master Control provides a unified platform for tracking, analyzing, and mitigating risks across all quality processes. Its centralized database ensures that all risk-related data is easily accessible, enabling better decision-making. 2. Integrated risk assessment. The system integrates risk management with core quality processes such as change control, assess risks related to proposed changes before implementation. Document control, ensure risk assessments are part of SOP updates or policy changes. CAPA, corrective and preventive actions automatically link risk assessments to corrective actions, ensuring root cause mitigation. 3. Automation for consistency. Master Control automates risk management workflows, ensuring consistent application of risk assessment methodologies, faster risk identification and resolution, elimination of manual errors and inefficiencies. 4. Real-time risk monitoring. The platform offers dashboards and analytics tools for real-time monitoring and reporting of risks. These features empower organizations to quickly identify emerging risks, monitor trends over time, take proactive measures to mitigate risks before they escalate. 5. Regulatory compliance. Master control aligns with regulatory standards such as ISO 14971, FDA 21 CFR Part 820, and EU MDR, ensuring that organizations meet industry-specific risk management requirements. Built-in templates and guides streamline compliance processes. 6. Enhanced collaboration. With tools for team collaboration, Master Control ensures that risk management involves all relevant stakeholders. Features like task assignments and alerts ensure accountability and transparency in risk mitigation efforts. 7. Audit-ready documentation. Master Control automatically maintains comprehensive records of all risk management activities, ensuring that organizations are audit-ready at all times. Traceability and version control simplify regulatory submissions and inspections. Achieving continuous improvement with Master Control Quality Excellence. Achieving continuous improvement with Master Control Quality Excellence involves leveraging the platform's comprehensive tools and features to enhance quality management processes while ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Below are the key aspects of how this can be achieved. 1. Centralized quality management. Unified platform. Master Control provides a centralized hub for managing all quality-related activities, including document control, audits, training, and supplier management. This eliminates silos and ensures data consistency. Accessibility. Cloud-based access enables stakeholders to collaborate and contribute to quality processes from anywhere. 2. Automating workflows. Process standardization. Automate repetitive quality processes such as CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, deviations, and change control to reduce manual errors. Real-time updates ensure that all stakeholders are working with the latest data, reducing delays and improving decision-making. 3. Continuous monitoring and reporting. Analytics and dashboards use real-time analytics to identify trends, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement in quality processes. KPIs tracking. Define and monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, for quality metrics, enabling data-driven decisions. Audit trails. Maintain a comprehensive audit trail to track and document every change or action for compliance and improvement insights. 4. Enhancing training and knowledge management. Integrated training management. Link training records with quality events to ensure employees are up to date on procedures, reducing the risk of human errors. Competency tracking. Identify gaps in employee knowledge and address them proactively with targeted training programs. 5. Risk management. Proactive risk assessment. Utilize risk matrices and prioritization tools to address potential quality issues before they escalate. Integration with CAPA. Link risk management to CAPA processes to ensure corrective actions mitigate future risks effectively. 6. Supplier quality management. Streamline supplier collaboration, manage supplier audits, certifications, and quality performance within the platform to ensure high standards throughout the supply chain. Supplier scorecards. Use scorecards to evaluate and improve supplier performance. 7. Regulatory compliance. Standard adherence. Align with regulatory requirements such as ISO 9001, FDA 21 CFR Part 11, and EU Annex 11. Compliance alerts. Stay informed about evolving regulations to maintain compliance and avoid penalties. Master Control Quality Excellence in a Regulated World. Master Control Quality Excellence in a Regulated World focuses on helping organizations in highly regulated industries maintain compliance while ensuring high-quality operations. Master Control's Quality Excellence Suite provides tools to manage, track, and improve quality processes in line with strict regulatory requirements. Key features of Master Control Quality Excellence. Document control. Centralized management of all quality and compliance documents. Version control, approval workflows, and audit trails. Training management. Tracks employee training and certifications. Automates training assignments linked to document changes or quality events. CAPA, corrective and preventive action. Tracks and resolves quality issues. Ensures root cause analysis and follow-up actions are documented and effective. Change control. Manages the entire life cycle of changes. Ensures changes are reviewed, approved, and implemented with minimal disruption. Audit management. Streamlines audit planning, execution, and follow-ups. Ensures compliance with regulatory and internal standards. Supplier management. Tracks supplier quality and performance. Centralize supplier audits and corrective actions. Risk management. Enables proactive risk identification and mitigation. Supports decision-making based on quantified risk analysis. Regulatory compliance. Helps organizations meet global regulatory requirements like FDA, ISO, and EU MDR. Provides built-in features for e-signatures, audit trails, and validation. Benefits of Master Control Quality Excellence. Streamline compliance. Automates quality and compliance processes to reduce manual effort and errors. Improved efficiency. Centralized platform reduces silos and improves collaboration across departments. Enhanced visibility. Real-time dashboards and reporting provide insights into quality performance. How Master Control Quality Excellence enhances collaboration. Master Control Quality Excellence is designed to foster collaboration by streamlining quality processes and improving information sharing across teams. Here's how it enhances collaboration. 1. Centralized platform for quality management. Unified Access provides a single platform for document management, training, audits, CAPAs, corrective and preventive actions, and other quality processes, ensuring all stakeholders work within the same system. Real-time data sharing. Teams can access the most up-to-date information instantly, reducing delays caused by outdated documents or miscommunication. 2. Automated workflows. Streamlined processes, automated routing, notifications, and task assignments ensure that quality tasks progress smoothly through predefined workflows. Visibility and transparency. All team members can track the progress of tasks, approvals, and updates, fostering accountability and reducing silos. 3. Collaboration tools. Document review and approval enables multiple stakeholders to review, comment on, and approve documents simultaneously, avoiding back-and-forth communication delays. Real-time collaboration, built-in tools for messaging and annotations facilitate discussions directly within the platform. 4. Training management. Aligned workforce ensures all team members are trained on the latest processes and regulations, promoting consistency and reducing errors due to misaligned knowledge. Team engagement simplifies team onboarding and continuous training, fostering a collaborative and knowledgeable culture. 5. Integration capabilities. Seamless connectivity integrates with other enterprise systems, example ERP, CRM, PLM, to ensure smooth data flow across departments. Cross-functional collaboration. Teams from different domains can easily share information and insights, breaking down organizational silos. 6. Mobile accessibility. Remote collaboration. Mobile-friendly features allow team members to review documents, participate in workflows, and manage tasks on the go. Enhanced responsiveness. Teams can respond to quality issues faster, even when off-site. 7. Audit trails and reporting. Clear communication, comprehensive audit trails and reporting capabilities provide a transparent view of quality processes, helping teams understand dependencies and responsibilities. Continuous improvement. Insights from reports enable cross-team discussions on process enhancements. 8. Compliance as a team effort. Shared responsibility. By embedding regulatory requirements into workflows, Master Control helps teams collectively ensure compliance, reducing the burden on individual team members. Collaborative problem solving encourages a unified approach to identifying and addressing compliance gaps. Why choose ProExcellency for Master Control Quality Excellence online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Master Control Quality Excellence online training can offer several advantages based on their reputation and approach to professional training. Here are some compelling reasons why ProExcellency might be a preferred choice. 1. Comprehensive course content. ProExcellency is known for delivering in-depth, industry-relevant training programs. The Master Control Quality Excellence training typically covers core functionalities like document control, quality event management, and audit management in detail. 2. Experienced trainers. Trainers at ProExcellency are often industry experts with hands-on experience in master control and quality management systems. Their practical knowledge allows them to offer real-world insights and best practices. 3. Flexible learning options. Online training sessions are designed to be flexible, catering to professionals with busy schedules. Recorded sessions might be available for learners to review at their convenience. 4. Hands-on training. The training includes hands-on exercises to ensure participants gain practical experience using master control software. Real-time project scenarios and case studies are often part of the curriculum. 5. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency offers competitive pricing, making their courses accessible without compromising quality. 6. Customizable training. Training programs can often be tailored to meet the specific needs of organizations or individuals. 7. Certifications and support. Participants receive completion certificates, adding value to their professional credentials. Post-training support might be available to help with practical implementation. 8. Positive feedback. ProExcellency has a track record of satisfied clients across industries, highlighting their effectiveness in delivering quality training. Thank you.